Creating an innovative culture. Creating an innovative culture within an organization is crucial for fostering the creativity, encouraging the experimentation, and driving the continuous improvement. So, here are the strategies to promote an innovative culture. Leadership support and role making. Leaders should champion innovations, set a clear vision for fostering creativity, and actively support the innovative initiatives. So, leaders should always try to champion the process of innovation, to set a clear vision and goal for fostering the creativity, and also to support the innovative initiatives. Demonstrate a willingness to take the risks, experiment with the new ideas, and embrace the failure as a learning opportunity. So, one should try to demonstrate the willingness to take risks, experiment with new ideas, and embrace the failure as a learning opportunity. Encourage the risk taking and experimentation. Create a psychologically safe environment where employees feel comfortable taking risk, sharing ideas, and experimenting with the new approaches without fear of judgment or reprisal. So, the environment in the organization should be very free and comfortable, where the employees can decide among themselves and they feel free and comfortable to take any sort of risk, to share their ideas, and also to experiment with different values and different approaches without the fear of being judged by somebody or being misunderstood. Recognize and reward the employees who demonstrate the creativity, take calculated risk, and contribute to innovate the projects or initiatives. So, try to recognize the reward and also try to reward the employees who are demonstrating these activity, creativity, who are taking the calculated risks, and also contributing to innovative projects or initiatives. Foster collaboration and diversity. Encourage collaboration across the departments, disciplines, and teams to foster the diverse perspectives and stimulate the creative thinking. So, try to encourage the collaboration among the different departments, the disciplines, and teams in order to foster the diverse perspectives and in order to stimulate the creative thinking. Embrace diversity of thought, background, and experience to promote innovative thinking and avoid the groupthink. So, try to embrace the diversity of thought, background, and experience, which will help to promote the innovative thinking and avoid the groupthink. Empower employees. Give the employee autonomy to explore their ideas, make decisions, and take the ownership of innovative projects or initiatives. So, try to give the employees autonomy to explore their ideas, to make the decisions, and also to take the ownership of the innovative projects and the initiatives. Encourage the employees at all levels to contribute the ideas, to share the insights, and participate in innovation efforts, empowering them to drive the change from within. So, try to encourage the employees at all levels, which will contribute the ideas, which will share the insights, and also participate in the innovation efforts, empowering them to drive the change from within. Provide the resources and support. Provide the dedicated time, the budget, the resources for the innovation projects, for the experiments, and the idea generation activities. So, try to provide the dedicated time, the budget, the resource for the innovation projects, for the experiments, and the ideas for generating activities. Offer the training programs, the workshops, and the resources to develop the employees' creative thinking skills and innovation capabilities. So, try to offer the training programs, the workshops, the resources which will help to develop the employees' creative thinking skills and innovation capabilities as well. Create a learning culture. Foster a culture of continuous learning and curiosity, encouraging the employees to seek out the new knowledge, learn from failures, and adapt to change. So, try to foster a culture of continuous learning and curiosity, encourage the employees to seek out new knowledge and also learn from failures and adapt to change. And emphasize the importance of experimentation, iterations, and learning from feedback in the innovation process. So, try to emphasize the importance of experimentation, iteration, and also the importance of learning from the feedback which is being provided in the innovation process. Encourage open communication. Establish open channels of communication for sharing the ideas, feedback, and insights across the organization, fostering a culture of open dialogue and transparency. So, there should be open channels of communication where people will be freely expressing and sharing their ideas, their feedback, and also their insights across the organization, fostering a culture of open dialogue and transparency. And implement the feedback mechanisms like the suggestion boxes, surveys, and town hall meetings to gather input from the employees and stakeholders. So implement the feedback mechanisms like the suggestion box, the surveys, and the town hall meetings, which will help to gather the input from the employees and stakeholders. Support innovation spaces and initiatives. Create the physical or the virtual spaces dedicated to innovation, collaborating, and ideation, providing employees with a conducive environment for creating thinking and brainstorming. So create a physical viral spaces which is dedicated to innovation, collaboration, and ideation, which will provide the employees with a conducive environment, and also for creative thinking and brainstorming will be nurtured in this kind of environment. Launch the innovation programs, challenges, or hackathons to engage employees in solving the real world problems, generating the new ideas and driving the innovation. So launch the various sort of innovation programs, the challenges, in order to help the employees to engage them in solving the real world problems, generating the ideas and driving the innovation. Celebrate and learn from failure. So encourage a culture where failure is viewed as a natural part of the innovation process, providing the valuable learning experiences and opportunities for the growth. So failures should also be considered as a way to learn. So encourage the culture where failure will be actually viewed as a natural part of the motivated process. And celebrate successful innovation efforts and share the stories of failure as learning opportunities, encouraging a mindset of the resilience and continuous improvement. So try to celebrate the successful innovation efforts and share the stories of failure as new learning opportunities, encouraging a mindset of resilience and continuous improvement. Measure and evaluate. Define the metrics and the KPIs to measure the success of innovation initiatives, such as the number of the new ideas generated, speed of implementation, and impact on business outcomes. Gather feedback from employees and stakeholders on the effectiveness on innovation initiatives and use this feedback to iterate and improve the future efforts. So try to gather the feedback from the employees and the stakeholders on the effectiveness of innovation initiatives and also use this feedback to iterate and improve future efforts. So by implementing these strategies, organizations can cultivate an innovative culture that empowers the employees, fosters creativity, and drive the continuous improvement, ultimately driving long-term success and competitiveness.